Zaidi ya wanafunzi 40 wa shule ya msingi ya Kari mjini Kisii wanaendelea kupokea matibabu baada ya kuvamiwa na shungi la nyuki walipokuwa wakichuma matunda kutoka kwa mti ulioko nje ya shule hiyo. Wanafunzi hao walipelekwa kwa hospitali ya Kisii mjini Kisii na kupewa huduma za matibabu, huku wengine wakiruhusiwa kwenda nyumbani.
Of bees attacking children in school, and that is why we are here. With me here is the principal of the school, parents, chairman of the board, and the medical staff and the teachers. Now I want to take this opportunity to give the principal of the school a chance to explain what happened. Then later on, the medics will also explain to us what they have done so far, and then we shall move like that. Karibu bwana principal.
Yeah, thank you so much. My name is Abed Maseno. I'm the principal of Kari DB Primary School and Junior Secondary School. It was at around 1:30 when the children were out for lunch. A few boys went out of the compound just next to the school. We have a dumping site there. They went to look for loquats. When they touched on the loquats, unfortunately there were bees there that landed on them, and the kids ran to school for protection. As they were running to school, they came with a swarm of bees to school, and the bees came to school, but we really tried as a staff, through our teachers and a few parents who were there. We contained the situation, and we brought a total of about 49 pupils who were injured. I also want to thank that our office responded very positively. They were there with us the moment it happened. So we brought 49 children to our nearest facility, which is Oresi facility, which is next to our school. We brought in 49 pupils, and probably then they have been attended to, but that's on medical grounds, and I'm not competent enough to say that. So probably you can have the medics to say.
Okay.
Just as well.
Good afternoon. My name is Christabel. I'm in charge of this county hospital. So this afternoon we received 49 learners from Kari Primary School. They were brought in with teachers. We identified 14 of them who were seriously injured, had severe anaphylactic reactions. We attended to them. They are now stable, and the rest of the 35 were very stable. They have been discharged home on orals.